Hey guys, I wanted to come on real quick and tell you about this hair company that I just got. I think it's called Lovrio Hair Extensions. The website is at the bottom of the box. I got Brazilian clip-in human hair extensions, 120 grams with 17 clips and 22 inches. And the slogan of this company is, "Looks so natural, it has to be yours." And you guys, this legit looks like my natural hair in a braid out. And I'm so excited. You just open the box and you get this little package. And I'm just like, how in the world is this 17 clips? But you get a bundle in here. One pack. And it comes with a hairnet. And the funny thing is, the ends look just like my ends. Like, this is legit my hair. And you take out the first bundle pack and look at that. It has 3 clips. It legit looks like a braid out, my own natural hair braid out. And I'm going to clip this. Oh, God, I'm so excited. Can you imagine if my natural hair was like this, stretched out? So I will be working on a braid out. So there's one. It's just like my natural hair. Do you see that? There's 2. 3. Oh my God. I just love this hair. It's my hair. It legit is so soft. Look at the ends. Like, it legit is just like my own hair. And the box comes with a wide tooth comb, a mirror, 2 extra clips, and here's the company again. It comes with instructions of how to take care of the hair. And I will definitely be doing a braid out, adding these clip-ins. I can't wait. And yeah, it's the integrity of